Hi guys, I'll show you now the process of making this type of sketches. They are really simple and quite fun way of starting illustrations or extracting colors from your basic sketches to full compositions, and we can generate them very fast. So let's start. The first thing that we need is to take sky photo, like so. I'm using some photo pack I got, but you can take this photo. You can take this from Google search engine, and let's make it. Okay, now we want to use very big and mm, very broad brush stroke for our compositions. But of course, and this is like my first video on YouTube that you can see on my playlist tutorials that I was making this kind of daily sketches with really quick black and white almost shape abstract shapes, but this is some kind of evolution of this sketching technique that we are taking for now. For example, we have created some kind of shape. Let's say these are mountains, and now using lasso tool, I'm just selecting something, and as you can see, I'm taking the value from the sky, like so, and we can with this value, we can now paint inside the selected shape. So let's imagine the sun is hitting here. Of course, we are using the information from the background photo. So for example, we have some kind of mountains in the background. We can make another shape under our main shape. Let's lower brightness to make it more visible inside our frame. Okay, and let's just paint. And for the sake of this exercise, we don't have to think about a very elaborate subject matter of our illustration. Just looking for cool shapes. This is one of my exercises for procrastination, for lack of, I don't know, idea, or today I'm really tired after work. I was thinking, man, I will do something, but I was like, no, I don't have idea. I need to, so instead of watching something on TV or on not TV, on internet, or playing a game, we can, for about 20 minutes we can sketch something, and you know just try to be just try to be just creative, but with little effort. Now I'm searching for some photo texture, but as we are recording this, I don't know if I will use heel. Let's write down heel. I will pause for a second. Okay, it was second. Okay, so here is the heel. I just found a random photo on the internet. Now, let's see. I will just select this heel. Control C, Control Delete. Now we can use this photo texture to put inside our mountain. And don't worry, I will try to match the colors for it, but it's not that important. It's like, okay, I put it on lighten mode, and maybe let's copy this thing, and we can have some indication mm, of environment. that we can paint on it later. For example, here is this kind of red something, I don't know, it's probably crops or field. I'm trying to, I need to find this color dynamic. I really like this color dynamic jitter. Sometimes, you know, it gives texture, and it can help us blend the 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 texture that we used from, for example, here from the sky or from this mountain, and it gives us like painterly look. Let's select the mountains from behind, and let's use it also the texture from the background. So look, I'm just taking some information from background sky and then using it on the mm, on our sketch, on the shape, on the base shape. So this is very cool, um, cool thing, cool technique, let's say, or method that we are first creating a fun, rather okay looking shape, like here. Maybe it's not so cool, but I'm looking right now for something, maybe something more light, how it looks on the smaller screen on the navigator. Okay, I think it's kind of readable. Maybe I will delete this mountain from the behind. Yeah, this mountain. Sorry. Yeah, this is now a really cool, strong shape. For example, here we are at the moment. Okay, here I have just downloaded some texture of trees, but I don't know. They are not so cool, but you got the idea. We can now inside this shape put some trees or some other stuff like that. And now we have this kind of sketch. It's not perfect, let's say, but we can generate with this type of method a lot sketches. Okay, I'm merging this sketch. Okay, deleting the layer. Okay, now this one is cooler than this I made. So maybe I will look for better sky. So okay, now let's see. Okay, yeah, just random sky. This sky. Now we are zoomed out. I'm taking maybe for the first strokes we are using. Um, let's make some kind of pillars that are from take sticking from the ground. Some small silhouette of something, or maybe of people. Maybe these are kind of ruins or. And here we can add some glow. Maybe it's too much. Okay, the glow. Now let's make clipping mask, not clipping append. I don't know how it's alt and layer. Color dynamic. Okay, now we can maybe zoom in because I don't see anything. Is color dynamic okay here? Yeah, the color dynamic is rather okay. So now we can color pick color from background. From sky, of course, we some of these pillars could be darker than this blue, but now we can carve in some information. Of course, the light source is behind, so maybe let's imagine that here is some kind of light source, like here. But it's not a moon or I don't know, some light source like moon. Yeah, it's not the beam of light. Okay, color, lighten linear dodge, and you know. And this can be something for my future illustration idea. Okay, so this is how I approach for these sketches. They are not super detailed by any any means, but okay, these are very